are you?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Sunny. I'm gonna show you how to cook with my products. These products are all no MSG, no preserve, gluten free and starch free and vegan, and you can use on anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to cook with this something really special. This is a Shishito pepper, and these are very special, but calcium king, the Korean baby anchovy. You put all these together, put this, my Korean stir fry oil, and if you wanted the spicy, you can use this a spicy teriyaki sauce, but today I'm gonna make just the regular teriyaki sauce mild. And then you put this and let it caramelize, it cooking together.
Sunny, one thing you want to maybe talk about approximately how much you're putting in?
Oh,
Yeah.
like 1 tablespoon teriyaki sauce and then 1 tablespoon stir fry oil. Yeah. And all you have to do is just cook it. Gives a wonderful flavor with this teriyaki sauce. And this is a made in USA, Mishawaka, Indiana. So once you try it, you'll probably never want to go back with any other sauce. And you can get it from Amazon, a lot of the Whole Foods in Chicago, and lots of other stores. We have it on about like 200 stores right now. But you can get it easily. Anybody can get easily Amazon.
So you want to talk about, there's going to be a link below that will send you to the website where you can purchase your product.
Yes, and also anybody wanted to comment it on and what I'm doing, and you can also go to our link and say something or respond to it. And check on our website. Sunny's a Korean restaurant and gourmet products.
Yeah, do that one over again.
Sunny's Korean restaurant and gourmet products. Check it out, and you'll see a lot of the recipes and some the live videos, and you'll see tons of things. Yeah, tons, and all about me. And you get to learn about how to use this product and where this come from. Very easy, simple. And then you talking about easy. All you have to do just put these two products together. Any vegetable you can just cook like this. Not just this Shishito pepper and anchovy. Yeah, you can do with especially Korean people. With this Shishito pepper and a sliced onion and fish cake. Also, you can put it in, or just use it as a vegetable, as a vegetarian. Delicious.
Is there a full vegetarian option instead of adding the fish?
Yes, yes.
Talk about that, yep.
So if you wanted the vegetarian, just add it like a fresh broccoli, sliced onions, some carrots, and then I'm gonna add some carrots so for the flavor, the color. And any vegetable, you can just saute it, and in no time you'll have a delicious meal. You can eat with a noodle or rice, steam the rice. Yeah, this is done. Okay, and hang on.
You want to mention about the time you cooked? Like it only takes,
Yes, but like not even 5 minutes. What was it? 3 minutes.
How do you know when it's done?
It's done when highlighting is done when pepper is done. Yeah, you can see the pepper kind of like a little bit.
Blisters?
Yeah, kind of wilted a little bit. Yeah, And it's done. And pepper you can eat fresh, so you know really don't have to cook too long. Yeah. So this is ready to dish out, and let's see how this look with the clay. I should have put a little bit bigger clay, huh? Voila. There you go. You have one delicious side dishes.